Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter replacement on a 2015 Subaru WRX. One of the really interesting things that I just found out today was that the cabin air filter has never been changed in my car. This rolled off in 2015. It's got 35,000 miles on it. So let's see how the cabin air filter looks, and let me take you along on the journey of how to replace the air filter. Before we get started, guys, if you want to see more WRX content, please consider subscribing to the channel. All we're going to need for tools today is a pair of long nose pliers, and it's pretty much one of the easiest things you can do. It's easier than replacing your engine oil. Okay, for the first step, obviously we need to open the glove compartment, and this is also going to be how do you replace the glove compartment. So you're going to open it up, and it's really simple. We're going to have a little push pin piston right here. That's going to go in. It's going to pop off this lever arm that lets it go up and down, and then we're just going to squeeze the glove compartment and it should fall out. Alright, so here's a bit of a close-up. This is the actual piston right here. As you can see, this is the glove compartment, this is the piston. We are going to take our needle nose, and we're going to clip that together. I can't do it with one hand right now, but this is the piston, and then we're going to be pushing in here to loosen the actual glove compartment and let it fall out. So we're going to go ahead and clip these together, and then pop this out. So, as you can see, I just popped this out, but I also popped it out further up, so I'm going to have to go back and fix that. But then what we're going to do is we're actually just going to squeeze the inside here. So we squeeze both sides here, so that popped out, and then it's just going to fall down and unhook. And we have the little hooks here that line up with these. So here's actually the opening for the cabin air filter. And you can see we have 4 tabs here and here, like on our replacement kit. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze them like this, but I got to squeeze on both sides. So let me put the camera down and do that. Okay, so I'm sitting in the car. I'm going to reach underneath, grab the 2 clips, push them together, and pull out. Take this out nice and carefully, and yikes. So here we have it. We have the cabin air filter. It's actually not as dirty as you would think for 34,000 miles, which is definitely not how long you should use them for. You should swap them out every like 10,000 miles. I just didn't know that it had not been changed when I bought the car, so I swapped it immediately. As you can see up here, there's a little bit of dirt. We have a bug. You can see the bug right there. It's pretty dirty. I guess it's not coming along. Let me show you a quick comparison here. New, old. This is the old one, new, old. See, pretty big difference there. That's pretty dirty, pretty clean. So let's get it back in. Here we have the new cabin air filter. It's really important that you put it in the right way, but it's pretty hard to put it in the wrong way. You can see right here the up, so that goes up, and you just push it in. So let's do that. So one of the nice things that are about this job, remember, we're going to line it up where it says up, and then we're just going to push it in. Super simple. We're going to guide it in, and then we're going to push it just till it clicks, and that's it. So then we are going to put this back on. So you put it back on like that. We're going to push it up just a little bit. We're going to push these in so it doesn't get stuck. Then we're going to hook up our clip again. See right here, clip. We're going to push it back on. It's back on. Pushed it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.